Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. I'm back with another video for you guys. As you guys can see here, we do have this beautiful unit here that I'm going to be installing today. Also, I'm going to show you guys how to get the brows to go with it. Okay, so if you guys are interested, don't forget to stay tuned. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you won't miss another upload from me, myself, and I. So without further ado, we're going to get right into the video.
Alright guys, so we're going to get started with the micro brow pencil from Morphe. She is $5 and I do have her in the shade Chocolate Mousse. This pencil is dual ended, so it has a spoolie on one end and then the pencil on the other. I love the preciseness of this pencil. It's not waxy and it's more stiff. I do make sure my brows are wiped off completely free of any makeup. I do not like oily. I don't like the products that move around. Like pomade moves around a lot on your brows, so I use alcohol to make sure my brows are completely dry, and then I use the 𝚬𝚗𝚘 and the spoolie to brush my hairs into place. Now we're going to take the pencil and draw the outline of my brows in the shape that I would like them to be. I don't get my eyebrows arched, y'all, because y'all know I told y'all I'd be jumping in the chair and the lady be just looking like, you doing too much, you doing too much. So I just started doing them myself, but I'll be jacking them up most of the time, so I just create my own brow. And as you guys can see, I extended the tail and then I filled in the sparse areas. Now it's up to you. If you like a more filled in brow, you can just do this towards the front, but I don't. So I leave the front and then I clean it up with my LA Girl concealer. This is in the shade Toffee and it's $2.99. I did say a $5 brow routine because I'm assuming you already have the concealer at home, so don't come for me, y'all. So I did blend that out and I'm gonna go ahead and shape the top of my brow as well. I like a sculpted and natural brow all at the same time, so I just infused both processes together to get the brows that I have. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out as well using this angled fluffy brush, and sometimes I need help, so I go in and use my finger. But I do come back to the front and make sure I'm blending the concealer off. You do not want the concealer up the top, okay? You want the line to be non-existent. Now I'm going in and just creating hair strokes. I do have a little bit of thicker brows, so that's just how it comes out for me, but I'm applying a little bit more pressure during this portion and just mimicking the hairs that I already have. And I just like the look. I love a sculpted and a natural brow look, so this is what it looks like, you know, if you don't want the more fluffier look. But I'm gonna show you guys a quick trick I do to have them looking more fluffy. I am gonna take some more of my got2b glue and I spray it on my spoolie and just brush the hairs upward. And yeah, so as you guys can see, it looks more fluffier, looks more natural, and you guys can see more of the hair strokes. And this is my everyday brow. Like, I came a long way. If y'all look at my old videos and my brows, sis, y'all could come for me, literally. But now we're going on to the second portion, and this is just how to get the color brows. I just took a shade of red and I mixed like a deep purple together. It actually depends on the shade of your wig, so make sure you do monitor that. But I just use this like a flat round brush and I just lightly, when I say lightly, apply the makeup onto the brow, and just lightly, and I, you know, move the hairs back and forth so it can get into those sparse areas. Towards the front, I actually just take and mimic the brow hairs that I drew with the pencil with that brush, so you guys still see the line. If you just start smudging all hard and applying too much pressure, you're gonna lose the entire brow. Hopefully I'm explaining this and you guys are watching to the point where it makes sense. But after I do that, I brush it out and then I go back in with another layer and repeat. So that's pretty much it. And if I do have any fallout, I do just go ahead and clean it up with concealer. This part is really easy. You either can, like I said, use a makeup eyeshadow. I hope I said eyeshadow, not makeup palette. Eyeshadow, or you can use lipstick, and this time I just chose an eyeshadow. But you can layer it and make it deeper or darker. But y'all can't tell me my brow. Y'all can't come for my brows anymore. Okay, now we're just moving on to the hair portion of the video, and I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing and we'll get right into this shot. All right, guys, so we are here with this beautiful 99J wig. 99J is burgundy. As y'all can see, the brows match the wig perfectly. This is the construction of the unit. It does have 3 combs in total, 2 drawstrings in the back. This is the curl pattern and its overall pattern. Y'all gotta help. But anyway, I don't know how many inches she is. Y'all check the description section because I did have that there and it was in the beginning clip. So I do know the cap size is small and the density is 180%, but this is what the unit looks like when I first place her on the hair. The hairline is just amazing, and this unit, y'all, this unit was so freaking pretty. So first we're gonna go ahead, I did off camera add foundation underneath the lace to help it blend more seamlessly, but now I'm just taking a eyebrow razor and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the lace. I did slow down the clips because I did want you guys to see actually what I'm doing. I know sometimes when you speed it up you guys are confused and lost, so I thought I'd just slow it down just a little bit. Alright, so I did create a part towards the ear tab. That way I can cut around the lace seamlessly. I noticed that doing this method, it doesn't make the edge of my wigs very choppy, because sometimes, well, back in the old days, y'all, I used to have it used to be choppy around my ears because I was just cutting anywhere. But this method, it would just ensure that it's a clean, nice cut and it fits exactly around your ear. You guys, this method was the best method. So now I'm going to go ahead and secure the unit all the way down. I am using my best friend, the 𝚘𝚘𝚒 free spray. And we're going to go ahead and use our finger, or you can use a tool. If you guys are new to my channel, you do be mindful that this 𝚘𝚘𝚒 free spray is not glue. It's just a strong hairspray. So we're going to blow dry it until it's tacky, and once it's tacky, we're going to go ahead and stick it on. I do use my fingers, and I go back and forth between my fingers and the end of my comb, and I'm just pressing it into my forehead. Now, as you guys can see, I'm just pulling up on the lace, and any of the lace that is lifting up with, I'm just taking some more 𝚘𝚘𝚒 glue and laying it down. So we're pretty much going to repeat this process for the entire unit, just spraying, waiting until it's tacky. And I do like to get a little bit on the lace prior to me laying it fully down. That's why I push it down, then lift it back up and let it get tacky. It just helps it stick a little bit better. And I'm going to use my fingers and push it into my head, and then I'm going to take the sides down and pull it as tight as I can. And like I said, this is just a repetitive process. Just start in small sections, and it's going to be secured fully. Alright guys, so the lace is completely secure, and I'm going to go ahead and put this edge scarf on, and we're going to go ahead and tie it as tight as we can, and then we're going to add some hot heat, and we're going to blow dry it for about 2 to 3 minutes, and I let it sit for a total of probably 5 to 10 minutes in total. So we're unwrapping her, okay? And now sometimes I do overspray, so I do get like a lot of crunchy pieces or white flakiness, but I just use my makeup remover to, clean that off if that does happen. So now I'm just pulling out the baby hairs. Like I said, they did give us a guideline for the baby hairs, or if I didn't say it, I'm saying it now. And I'm just gonna cut at an angle to create my swoops. Now I'm just taking some foam wrap lotion to create my baby hairs. I also mix my foam wrap lotion with what is it? Got to be glue free spray, y'all. That's just a staple in my routine. I just feel like it makes my baby hairs stay in place without them looking like they're glued to my forehead. I'm kind of getting over that look, so I wanted natural, soft baby hairs. You also can comb them out once they completely dry, but this method to me just looks more natural, and it's just something that, you know, I just love now. Okay, so after the baby hairs are done, we're going to put our edge scarf back on once again. And we're going to take our blow dryer on another heat setting. And I'm going to put heat, I'm going to let the hot heat go over the hair with hot heat for about 5 minutes. And then I let it sit for another 5 minutes. So this is what the baby hairs are looking like once they are taken off. Now I'm just going in to create a part because I am doing a deep side part today. And after I do that, I'm going to go ahead and detangle the hair using a wide tooth comb. And y'all, this hair was so freaking soft. Okay, it was soft. It didn't have a smell out the box or anything like that. Y'all, this hair is so pretty, and I love this color. So now we're just going in with our hot comb. I was about to say home comb. Hot comb, just to press out the roots just a little bit. I like volume, but I don't like that much volume. Now I'm going back in with that concealer from LA Colors. This is in the shade Toffee, just to make that part pop. I feel like the part just, oh my gosh, I don't know. And I remember a couple videos back, I was like, I don't even like that look anymore, since I lied. But I love putting concealer on the parts because this just does something to it. It just makes your unit look so freaking natural. Now I'm just going in with my curly hair routine. This is not my in-depth routine. This is just a one when I don't want my hair soaking wet. I don't have time to wait for it to dry. So I just put a little bit of water on there and then take a brush. I lost my denim brush, y'all. I don't even know where it's at. But I take a brush to make sure the water is all throughout the hair. And then I took my detangling milk, which you guys will see in a later clip. I put that on there as well, and then I'm just using foaming wrap lotion to secure in my curls. And like I said, the brush just helps distribute the product evenly, and I just go in and scrunch up the hair. So that's pretty much what I do with my curly hair routine, y'all. This hair was so freaking amazing to me. And y'all can look at my shirt. I think I'm gonna show you guys my hands in this clip, but look at my shirt. Normally when I get 99J hair from a company, y'all, it be bleeding. And when I say it be staining shirts, that's why I wore a white shirt. Look at my hands, there we go. And there is no redness on it. I was like, wait, what? Like, what? So y'all know my mom was blown at this point. I knew I had some good hair.
Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So I'm gonna give you guys an overall thought of this unit, and yo, I'm obsessed. When I say obsessed, I'm always saying that. But anyway, when it comes down to WESTKISS hair, y'all already know what it is. They do not come to play. When I tell you they don't come to play, they don't come to play. So from the very moment I took it out the package, I love that it's a true burgundy, okay? Nothing irritates me more than trying to get a burgundy color and it's coming out like bright red. So they do on the site have different options though in the choice of red. So if you don't just want 99J, there is 99J bright and other options, so just check that out. But I love that it's a true 99J. It's dark, it's deep, it's what I'm looking for. Another thing, let's just straight off the bat, y'all already know how I feel about their lace and their hairline. They just come for our necks every time. I didn't pluck it at all, so this is the way I styled it, and this is the way you would get it as well. They with the shedding, I did get a few shedding here and there throughout my curly hair routine. I noticed that was because I did pretty much wait to detangle it until I did my curly hair routine. Y'all know I cut into the unit and did things of that nature, but I did have a little bit of shedding, and this is the amount of shedding that I got from you know, cutting the lace off and things like that. So I did get a little bit of shedding during that process. Well, another thing I love is that this hair, don't believe, look at my hands, you guys. I think it's zooming in or it's trying to focus on me. I don't care what nobody said. Nobody can come for me today because my hair won't be bleeding, y'all. So yeah, I didn't want to put on my outfit because I didn't know whether it bled or not. But y'all seeing the clips, it does not bleed, and that's freaking insane. That just blows my mind. Like, this is the only unit that I've come across so far that does not bleed color. Okay, color. This is 99J. What? Come on, WESTKISS. WESTKISS has come for my neck, okay? They came, they serve, and it's just what it is. So I really enjoyed working with this unit. I had a little bit of tangling as well here and there. That is expected. This is curly hair, do remember that. But overall, it's definitely 𝚬𝚐 approved. I don't have any cons or anything about this unit. Love the color, love the lace, love the baby hairs. I'm just here for it. So really hope you guys enjoyed all this information. All the information regarding the hair will be listed down in the description section below. So yeah, I'm about to head out. So until next time, you girls, see you later. Bye guys.